Fools run, show respect for who stay, and you don't see the light until you sit down and go pray. May 21st is doomsday, man. I've been praying all day, trying to spread my wings as I soar like a blue jay. I'm chilling, just winging, everything is alright. Trying to picture myself flying as I'm high all night. From my girl crying, I see you, baby, farewell. All that dumb shit you did, bitch, you going to hell. I'm sorry for that drama, I'm sorry for them lies. Crying over bullshit, I'm sorry for them times. Call my ex Lisa, oh shit, you still alive? I thought you would have died when the birds fell out the sky. Giving niggas neck like a lawyer in his tie. Playing Miss Angel when you look up in your eyes. But never mind, I just called to say goodbye. Never mind, I just called to say goodbye. Goodbye. Fucking slut.